Dynamic is he starts first and I have to catch up with him. You guys follow that? Stationary, okay? Situation one, he's far from me, I have no neck, but I have hands. Control here. Stay strong there for a second, then. More biceps, okay? All right, so here, what I'm gonna do is, always remember the wiggle. When you open your legs, you have to wiggle. I wiggle whether I have my legs resting on him, whether I have one of my legs on the ground, but never both feet on the ground. You're either here, you're here, if you're gonna turn that way, or you're here, if you're gonna turn that way. I'm more biased to this side because you guys are looking at me, and I want you to have the view, okay? So here, I go here, right? Wiggle, wiggle, sharp turn, don't go. The problem with this one is I cannot drag him because I don't have the upper body. Do you see what happened here? If I go for this one right now, everything is perfect, but I can't finish. When you have the arm, your knee always aims the arm, not his body. So same thing again. See, when I wiggle and I go, I move just a bit, and I start pushing the arm. And I stop in there, then I kind of start pulling him over here and going with the kick. Okay, go back again. A lot of times what I do, I step, I go really far so I can actually get this. See here, I want the arm. I want the arm, I want to pull. And I can always, real quick, connect the foot, the toe on the hip. See that kick right there? It goes really well. So a lot of times when I have this position, instead of going here, okay, sometimes, especially with the height that Guilherme has. So sharp turn, get to the arm. Over here, crunch. Look how you go. And then here, the last thing, the kick. You follow? So you're going to kick, and then you're going to kick. I mean, knee kick, then foot kick. Real quick. So a lot of times here, you play a little bit there. Look, I move a little bit here. Look. I push the arm. See how he's not coming? He's not going, right? But look what happens when my foot touches him. Foot starts to kick. Boom, he goes. Especially the fact that he's long, okay? Second situation, if I have the collar instead, then I just do a little upa and turn, and here I have the crunch. The knee's on the gut. He's gonna go, it's a shortcut. So it takes a little bit more work for you if you don't have the head to go here, okay? You sharp turn, you get your knee first, and then your foot next. When that foot touches him, it just goes, I go straight toe on the guy. Do you guys follow that? So a lot of times, some of you start from this position. Some people like the spider guard or whatever. Okay, so you can also go for those situations. But here right now, you're gonna sharp turn as you go over here. This is how you do. You don't scoot your hip out. You lift your hip, rotate, hip up, knee first. So later. I barely touched it. And when you want to get on top of the guy, it's never the legs or the hip. It's always the chest first. You see that? And then the rest of the body falls. Is that cool? So one more time. Thumb inside the sleeve. One leg down, one leg up. Upa. Turn, hip up. Knee, push, then toe. Push. Chest. Then you fall. We're doing this sleeve control. 1, 2, 3, up.